Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. This is our project Cybersecurity in Big Data ERA, from securing big data to data-driven security. This is our abstract. Knowledge is power is an old adage that has been found to be true in today's information age. Knowledge is derived from having access to information. The ability to gather information from large volumes of data has been an issue of relative importance. The rapid growth of internet and the other technological advances are the main culprits behind this sustained growth. This is our flow diagram. There are two types of users. One is data owner, another one is data user. First we have to choose data owner. First, if a new user going to register your details and then get username and password to log in, then choose our file. File means a data set, and then view the files to view all the attributes and then values, and then file encryption. At the same process, key generated to generating a private key, then file encryption. File encryption means there are two types of algorithm used for file encryption. The main encryption algorithm used for AES for the technique is FPE, then ABE. FPE means format preserving encryption, and then ABE means attribute based encryption. Then cloud authentication. Cloud authentication means after completing the file encryption process to going to cloud authentication. Cloud authentication to grant permission to the cloud server. If you permission granted to storing our encrypted data, and then data user. If you new user going to register your details, then log in your details, then going to file download permission. File download permission means cloud access. Cloud access to access your process, then going to select the encrypted file. To select our encrypted file and then file decryptor. File decryptor means AES algorithm, and then FPE, then ABE technique used for this our project. This is our project. Click in text, then right click, then run the file. This is our home page. Our title is Cybersecurity in Big Data ERA, from securing big data to data-driven security. Then click loading symbol. This is our login page. If a new user going to new sign up, then click on sign up button. This is our register form. First you enter username, then password, then confirm password, then mail ID, then click register button. Registration completed. Then come back to login page, enter username, then password, login successfully. Then click on browse button. This is our dataset, dataset.csv. Then open. File uploaded successfully. Then click on OK button. Total number of records. Then click on next button. Upload files. Then click on view files. This is our dataset. Then click on save button. Data stored successfully in our database. Then click on OK button. Then click on next button. This is our encryption process and key generation process. Click on private key. This is our key. Then click on AES and FPE and ABE. FPE means format preserving encryption, and ABE means attribute based encryption. Then click on this button. Our dataset is encrypted in background process. Our dataset is completed encrypted. This is our file. Then click on next button. Upload records. Send request to cloud. Then click on send to request. Request sending to cloud server. Progressing. Then click on cloud login. Username cloud. Then password. Then secret pin. Click on login button. Cloud login successfully. Then view upload request. Dataset.csv. Then grant permission granted, or else revoke permission. It's a cloud server option. Then click on next button. Then come back to upload records. Check request status. Permission granted. Then uploaded successfully. Then view files. These are our encrypted files. Then click on next button. Then come back to user registration page. This is user registration form. Enter username. Then password. Then mail ID. Then click on register button. Registration completed. This is our user login page. Enter username. Then password. Then click on login button. User login successfully. Send request to cloud. Request sent to cloud server. Then come back to cloud server. View download request. Kumaran username. Then file name dataset.csv. Check user valid user. Then click on grant permission. Permission granted. This is your cloud server. And click on OK button. Then view request status. Permission granted. Then this is a key, private key. This is our key. Then click on next button. This is our decrypt files. Click on key button. Then click on decrypt button. Our encrypted data is decrypting. This is our data set. Encrypted and then decrypted password. Then click on attributes. This page is show all attributes. Attribute means attack, normal, netqueue, IP speed, nmap. Then click on one by one. Then first I click normal.